IWM is the kingmaker. It is easier to trade than SPY, than QQQ, because it just behaves. Maybe the reason is not as many contracts out there, so the algos don't have as many people to kill. But who cares? You're looking at this thing, 12.12. Check. 0.50 down. 50 cents down, that's fairly neutral, right? What we want to do is follow the price action and alerts. Okay? Follow price action and alerts. Well, it goes up, it comes down, and then you get this right here. 51 bear bomb, 30.77% win rate, but in the past 30 days, it's at 50%. And that's a perfect trade. Your max loss, 7.83%, going for 200%, just buying and holding until the end of the session. Absolutely beautiful. We look at the next alerts coming. Same 50% win rate. But remember, guys, we don't want to be late. You're going above the 236 strike, a little bit below. Love the trade. Want to take it a little bit later. And if you did that here at KTR, what happens? Well, you're getting 266.67% buying and holding till the end without a 20% drawdown. You get another one here. And this is incredible because we're telling you at 12.53, 50% last 30 days. When we move up, because it's above the strike, we're telling you 30 days, 100% win rate. Not statistically significant, but it worked today. And that's what's important. Always lose small. This situation, you're winning big, you're winning massively. KTR, and then this one's even better because max drawdown is 1.64%. That's crazy. But it gets a little crazier, a little sillier. Shout out KBBQ in Discord who was going to scream if this didn't work. Well, what happens? You get 1-2 bears with edge. That is a 100% win rate that is statistically significant. This alert has happened however many times, and it has never lost. And it has outperformed every other alert out there during this time frame and all this other black magic. We're telling you, 100% win rate. Haven't seen one in the last 30 days. They both win. If you're a baller and you're like, hey, you know, it has moved down a little bit. You're right at the 235 strike. Let me take that thing at KTR. Well, doing that is significantly better because you're not having any kind of drawdown and they're both winning. The second one, man, look at that. This is just another session of IWM being the absolute kingmaker. It is the best, easiest thing to trade, especially when it's good, which is like 4 out of 5 days of the week. Higher volume there than you'll see on SPY or QQQ. And what do we need? You need volume. Volume gives you the bear, average max gain of 190% versus 84.79. Let's look at SPY. So, you know, we keep saying this over and over and over again. IWM behaves. It's beautiful. It does what you expect. Here, SPY, you are right at the blue. This thing sits down, back to it, doesn't go anywhere, right? Doesn't go anywhere the entire session. They end up breaking it down 1, 2. This entire middle, this area, this is just killing people. It's killing people in puts down here, and then it's killing people in calls after you get to the blue line and it doesn't fly. Red outline on the chart means nightmare mode. It's going to be difficult to trade, just forewarning, right? And this is difficult. This is terrorism. It doesn't really go anywhere. Oh my gosh, we're going to rip. We're going to keep going. Nope. Blue line, 1330. get a little bit of a sell-off. You know, if you did follow the price action, you could have gotten that, but that's really freaking hard. We don't want hard. You want to stick with what's easy. Looking at QQQ, they killed. This thing is nasty. I mean, you're getting one alert the entire session. You're getting blue line until 14.17. They're closing it $1 down. That's disgusting. That's bleeding everyone to death. No one wins except for the market makers and the lizard people or whatever. But you should know, hey, there's only one alert on this thing. Wall Street is not actively trading it. They're not taking large positions in either direction. It's not worth doing. Low volume, 77.57%. That's to be expected. SPY, it's a little bit higher. You get a little bit more price action at the end. Nice little sell-off. But at the end of the day, there's only one thing you should be looking at. It's IWM, the kingmaker. It's crazy. And when you look at the session, we can just pull all the alerts in here. Let's just select everything with 100% win rate. And let's sort this. You get 100% here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 alerts. Profit stem. Look at that. Trading in 2 contracts, 20% stop loss, 100% take profit, 67.91%. A lot of these ran a little bit higher. We moved this to 150. You're getting 104.54. You're winning 4, losing 2. Let's see what happens. We click over this advanced tab. Oh, that's beautiful. 94%. Beautiful. IWM, it has volume, price action. It just works. It's beautiful.